Family members of elderly victims of undue influence, a phenomenon often connected with elder financial abuse, recoil in disbelief when learning of an elder's coerced gift or an unnatural inheritance. Now, this disbelief gives way to hurt and outrage as the estate thief makes brazen, insincere, and false claims to the estate. It's our job as probate and trust litigation attorneys to systematically gather supporting evidence to overcome the actions of estate thieves. Developing these cases often depends on claims of undue influence. Undue influence in California means excessive persuasion that causes another person to act or refrain from acting by overcoming that person's free will and results in inequity. California law considers a number of factors in determining whether an estate transfer was produced by undue influence. The vulnerability of the victim is part of this mosaic. Incapacity, illness, disability, injury, age, education, impaired cognitive function, emotional distress, isolation, or dependency all help to identify the elderly victim's vulnerability. The influencer's position as a family member or a care provider, fiduciary, healthcare professional, legal professional, spiritual advisor, expert, or other qualification can demonstrate apparent authority over the victim. California law lists a number of tactics used by influencers as potential evidence of undue influence. The list is not exclusive. Real-life circumstances provide others. Common tactics include controlling necessities of life, medication, the victim's interactions with others, access to information or to sleep, use of affection, intimidation, or coercion are part and parcel of undue influence. Initiation of changes in personal or property rights, use of haste or secrecy in effecting those changes, affecting changes at inappropriate times and places, and claims of expertise in effecting changes also provide evidence of undue influence. The equity of the result is another consideration. This may include the economic consequences to the victim, any change from the victim's prior intent or course of conduct or dealing, the relationship between services and value given, or the appropriateness of the change in light of the length and nature of the relationship. Innocent family members must ultimately hold undue influencers accountable. They must choose to right the wrong. The simple truth is that this is not done without legal intervention. California law has a set of rules that can be enforced in probate, civil, and criminal courts against victimizers. This is where the mayhem should stop. At Hackard Law, we safeguard beneficiaries against harm in both the probate and civil courts. We serve clients throughout California, including in Los Angeles and Sacramento, San Jose, Alameda, and San Diego. You can call us today to see how we can help you. Our number is 916-313-3030. Thank you.